Hi, in this video we are going to look at adding positive and negative whole numbers using number line method. So this is the number line that we have. These are the positive numbers and these are the negative numbers. Now using number line method, we'll first see how to add two positive numbers. We'll take 3 plus 2. When we are using number line method, basically what we need to do is we just need to travel in the direction of the number sign. So in this case, we have 3. So we need to start off from 0 and then we need to take 3 steps on the positive side. So if we take 3 steps on the positive side, we'll land here. Then we look at the next number. Next number is also positive 2, which means we just need to carry on in the same direction by taking 2 additional steps. So if we take 2 additional steps from where we are now, we'll land at 5. So that's going to be our result. Now, if we take one positive number and one negative number, say 3 plus minus 2. So we are basically adding 3 and minus 2 together. Now what we need to do is, we follow the same procedure. We start off from 0, and because we have plus 3 here, or the positive 3, we need to take 3 steps in the positive direction. So if we take 3 steps from the positive direction from 0, we'll land at 3. Then what we need to do is we need to take 2 steps in the negative direction because this is negative 2. So we need to take 2 steps in the negative direction from the current position. So our current position is 3. So if we take 2 steps in the negative directions, we'll go back to 1. So that's going to be our result. Now let's look at a slight variation of this. This time we are going to have negative number in the beginning. So this is going to be minus 3, and we are going to add minus 3 to positive 2. Okay, so we are going to find out what is this. Now, because we have minus 3, we need to take 3 steps in the negative direction from 0. So if we take 3 steps from in the negative direction from 0, we'll land at minus 3. Then the next number is positive 2, which means we need to take 2 steps in the positive direction from our current location. Our current location is minus 3. So if we take 2 steps on the positive direction, we'll go back to minus 1. So that's going to be our result. For our final example, we are going to take 2 negative numbers and add them together. So we're going to take minus 3. We're going to add this to negative 2. Now, again, following the same process that we have been following, we start off from 0 and we take 3 negative steps or 3 steps in the negative direction. So 1, 2 and 3. So we land at minus 3. Now the next number is also a negative number, which is negative minus 2. So we need to take 2 steps in the same direction from our current position. So our current position is minus 3. So if we take 2 steps in the same direction, we'll land at minus 5. So that's going to be our result. I hope this is useful. Thank you.